Hi, my name is Fion Roberts and I'm currently a student here in Coleg Llandrillo and I have been for the past 5-6 years or so. I've been studying sign language and at the moment I'm on my third year of the BSL and Deaf Studies degree. What has inspired me to do sign language is I was brought up around deaf family and that just inspired me to do more, to learn more. And I've recently completed my level 4 in British Sign Language certificate. Learning sign language has led me to meet my now partner. He is also profoundly deaf, so it's fair to say on a day-to-day basis I use sign language. I've recently got a job in the Centre of Sign, Sight, Sound in Colwyn Bay as a communication support worker. I will work alongside deaf individuals with accessible health and also information, advice and assistance. What that entails is that a deaf person might want to make an appointment to see the GP, for instance. Therefore, I am there to make that phone call on their behalf. I'm also available to advise a deaf individual if they're stuck for something or they need help in filling a form, then I am here to do that for them. My hopes for the future are maybe to carry on and progress to be a British Sign Language interpreting. I know that's a long way away at the moment, but you know, where I am right now with my job, it'll allow me to practice on a daily basis, and the fact that I am enjoying it as well, you know, that's a bonus in itself. The tutors here have been very helpful. I've been coming here once, twice a week, and there's always, you know, someone available to help. If you are thinking of doing something similar to this, I would definitely, you know, advise you to do so. It is fun. You will learn something different. Not every day, you know, you get to learn British Sign Language, so, you know, go for it. Yes, it's a challenge, but you will get there. You know, I am proof that you can get there with time, effort and hard work. So I would encourage anyone to do it.